how to fix Viber no service on iPhone. First, open up your settings. Here, use the search bar to search for Viber and open up Viber. The first thing that I suggest checking is if you have cellular data enabled and also background app refresh enabled. Make sure both of these are turned on. The second thing that I suggest doing is going back and this time searching for iPhone storage like this. Click on iPhone storage and you want to find Viber from this list. So I'm just going to sort this by name. Go down until I see Viber. Okay, click on Viber. Here you want to offload the app, and once you have offloaded the application, then you want to click on reinstall. This button is going to become reinstall. You just want to reinstall it. This is not going to sign you out of your account or anything like that, so you needn't worry about it. And the last thing that I suggest doing is checking your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching over to a stable data, and if you're using mobile data, try switching over to a Wi-Fi network. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.